What makes you itch? If you say that getting the money is the most important thing, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
So this is what a taxi looks like in Phuket. I'm riding in the back of like a truck here. I can fall out of the back any minute now. I'm gonna go to Phi Phi Island.
The lights all out in the night. I stand by your side, 'cause I see the light in your eyes. I'm on.
Climbing these steps for so long, looking for this apparently viewpoint. People up there are taking a break because it's so hard. Wow, this is incredible.
As I grab onto your hand, feel the heat rush through my heart. It's like the stars we burn light up the night. I feel the fire, fire. I feel the fire, fire. I feel the fire, fire. It's burning inside of me. I feel the fire, fire. In the night, doubts race through my mind. Breathe me back to life. So shelter me in your arms. This world falls apart. Flames burn in me higher. As I grab onto your hand, feel the heat rush through my heart. Just like the stars we burn light up the night. I feel the fire, fire. I feel the fire, fire. I feel the fire, fire. It's burning inside of me. I feel the fire, fire. I feel the fire, fire. I feel the fire, fire.
Oh, my friend!
Yes, my friend.